next YouTube channel. So buckle up and let's go for a ride. What's up, guys? It's rim and tire day. This thing looks stupid with these current tires and wheels on. Don't get me wrong, I love the stock wheels, and these tires were great, especially for burnouts. Let's see if you can see. They took a little beating. As you can see, the rears aren't doing so well, but fronts are doing really well. But that last video, I tore up those tires, so it's time for something fresh and new. Let's get it jacked up and figure it out. There it is. Woo. Anodized aluminum caps, KMC 17-inch, BFG 13, 12, 50, 17s, BFG cams 3s. Yeah, that's right. This thing looks so freaking good. They fit just right. I think it's a -12 offset. They're going to be able to tuck just right up in here. I'll get a better shot here in a second once I pull it out, but there it is, all its glory. All right, so here's, I guess we'll call it the final reveal. This thing is super clean now. You can see how it's gonna tuck up. When it comes up, it'll probably come up. I have to trim inside there a little bit, but it's gonna fit nice in here. You can see how that tucks from the back. It's beautiful. So I went with the BFGs just because I've had so much good experience with them, racing and otherwise. So, and then these KMC XDs, I didn't even know that they had them. I think this is a custom offset, custom drilled, I believe. This was kind of a surprise. My buddy called me from Simi Valley Tire Pros. Huge shout out to Justin. You've probably seen him in one or two of my other videos, one of my oldest buddies. He said, hey dude, I found some wheels, you gotta come down and put them on. So we ordered them up, and this is what happened. I mean, dude, I couldn't have found a better wheel myself. So I'm super pumped. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share it around. We're gonna be doing front bumpers and stuff on this, as well as some new front suspension eventually after I get the race truck done. So for now, that's it. Thanks for watching. Peace.